Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, let me show you what we're going to do today. On that BMW we get that annoying light in the dash. Okay, let me show you. For a bad bulb. And if I use the scroll button here, go to check control, and we have two light bulbs codes. Okay, 1, 2, and then we have the windshield washer reservoir level. So if you have the iDrive guys, this is very easy for you to find out what's wrong. It says right brake lamp malfunction, left brake lamp malfunction. Now however, if you do not have the iDrive, you wonder what's happening, we're going to show you today by using Maxicom. This is a scanner that's purchased by us guys, nothing sponsored here. Okay, everything is purchased by us. So let me show you how cool that scanner is now. Okay, first let me just quick introduce you. You can do so many cars. Okay, check out how many cars it supports, and they have updates constantly about it. Okay, so I'll go to VIN number, auto detect. It's going to detect the VIN number of the vehicle, and that way it can input the information that it needs, like year, vehicle make, vehicle model, engine, and all that stuff. And we're going to show you how we will diagnose the system and see what it says now. So it's loading now. This is our VIN number. We click OK. We select yes. This is our 2006 E91. So the loading will take a little bit of time. What I'm going to do, okay, we're going to turn the lights on. Okay, on the phone everything works. I have the blinkers on. You can see everything works as it should. On this side here as well. And when I go towards the back, okay, here turn signals work, tail lights work too on both sides. Okay, let's see brake lights now. Okay, brake lights work too on the bottom, you can see, and we cannot find out what's wrong with it. Look at that, still has the brake light on top, everything is working. And let's go ahead and put it in reverse and see if the reverse works too. Yep, both of the reverse lights work. So by using that computer now, I'm going to try to figure out what's wrong there. And if you don't have the iDrive, you just have the regular dash. It's very handy. So it's loading all the data now. It should be any minute. Okay, we're going to select diagnostics, control unit here. After that we need to select body, it's part of the body system. And if we go to footwell module, read the codes, and we have two codes that are present. Present means that it's happening right now. If it was in the past and it fixed itself, it will say no, non-present. And we have secondary brake light left side faulty and secondary brake light right side faulty on both sides. So that's crazy, both of the lights work but it says faulty. So what I'm going to do, let me just check the live data here quick to see. Okay, we can activate the lights now. Brake light center, you can see all that stuff. Brake light left, we can activate them and check if they work as well. Okay, this is the output here. 93% dimming. You can check all that stuff. So it says no short circuit. So let me now show you what is happening here guys. Okay, we're going to turn the car off quick. We're going to go ahead, open the trunk, and get to the lights now. So we need to start inspecting what's happening. Our brake light is working, but it says it's not. So, okay, we'll pull the lights out. And we just found out that we have two bulbs for the bottom. This one is super hot. This one is cold. Okay, so if it's cold, it wasn't working. I thought it was only one bulb for brake lights. So I'll go ahead, pull the bulb out. Okay, and let's see if that is going to fix the problem now. I thought it was a single bulb, so I guess both of the lights on the bottom are burned, and it's causing that problem. So we have one person. Okay, I'm going to go ahead inside the car quick. Okay, let me start it now, and we're going to read that module again to see what it says. Okay, let's go to the screen here first. We have one bulb. Okay, and let me go ahead and see if it's going to show something now quick. So I'll go to escape. Okay, here we'll go ahead and read the codes now. It still says present. So okay, let's see if it's working or not. Okay, let's go ahead and hit the brake and see if both bulbs are working. Okay, nothing edited here. Okay, now both bulbs are working. You can see on this side and on this side, only one of them is working. So let's go ahead and check again with the computer, give it a little bit of time to register everything, because sometimes things are not happening simultaneously. So I'll go ahead and read the codes up, and one of them fixed itself. It says not present. Secondary brake light bulb not present. So you can see, guys, that fixed one problem. So that's it, guys. You can see that fixed one of our bulbs. We just need to replace the second one, and pretty much we found out what the problem is. So if you don't have the iDrive, that's how you check which bulb is bad or not. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. The tool, you can find more about it if you need to online, but it's a really good scanner, not very expensive at all for what we use it. So thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.